take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Jack, and I'm back again with another haul. This time it's gonna be a home decor haul. So this haul is gonna be like a mixture of some things that I got for Christmas and some things that I just bought because I moved into a new apartment here on campus. Okay, so first I'm gonna do candles because y'all, my family got me a lot of candles. Let's just start off. Got this little candle holder, and my nana gave me a cute little purple candle there. She gave me a few of these candles, but it's a cute little gold holder. Everybody knows I love gold. Next, let's see. Next, Nana also got me this big Yankee candle, and it's sugared pumpkin swirl. It smells like a sugared pumpkin in a swirl. Next, my Nana got me these two little candles, and she got me this one because she got me the Big Daddy version of it last year for Christmas, and I loved it. I still have some of it. So this is the one she got me last year for Christmas, and she got me a little mini version of it this year because I said I love this one so much. And next I got mahogany teak wood from Bath & Body Works. This smells so good. It's like a sophisticated guy smell. It's good, okay? And I also got me a relaxing lavender candle, which is like the same brand. Also from the same brand, she got me lilac blossom. And this one's big, but it's like a fat, short, chubby one. Also got me this lavender fudge candle. And y'all, lavender and fudge, this shit is banging. It's banging. But yeah, I told her I liked the lavender candle she got me last year, so she's got me everything that was lavender. And then my uncle got me this plumeria petals. It smells really good. It's huge. It's a huge candle. And he also got me creamy Tahitian coconut. And then next, my Nana also got me a pink Himalayan salt lamp. And it's so pretty. I'm so glad she got it for me. I wanted one so bad. And the little bulb is out right now because hooked up and I don't feel like doing all that. But yeah, it's really heavy. It's really cool. And it tastes like salt because it is real salt. Okay, and next, my mom got me some wallflowers from Bath & Body Works. A cute little bag because I love my wallflowers. I need to put a new one right now. Let's see, she got me flannel. Oh, I picked all these out. Why am I acting surprised? And evergreen. And peppered suede. And then winter. I don't know where they'd be getting these names from. And then another peppered suede because I like that one, so I got two. And then a salted caramel. And then my Nana got me a salted caramel candle from Bath & Body Works, but I don't know where it is. So hopefully I can find that because it's pretty. And then my mom also got me these aromatherapy things, and I really like them. Got one as a party favor for my friend's party, and I really like them, so I got another relax because that's the one I use the most. And then I got stress relief. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm sure it'll be good. And my mom also got me these cute little Christmas things that you can just like put on your hand soaps or whatever. I forgot to use them during Christmas though. Kind of sad. I got this from Target. It was like $1. It says inhale, exhale. It was $1 and it had gold on it, so I bought it. Then next I have my tapestry that I got from Amazon. I can link it down below. And I don't need another tapestry. I have two of them. But this one was gold and I wanted a new gold one, so I got a new one. And then wait, I'm missing something. Why am I missing stuff? And then my mom got me this set of like gold mirrors to put on your wall. And then I ordered from Amazon a little, well, it's not little, a Keurig like drawer thing because my family also got me about 100 K-cups for Christmas. I'm not even joking. So I need a drawer to put them all in. Ooh, this one's cool. Okay, and then I ordered this from Target. It's like those litter boards that are like kind of trendy right now. This one isn't felt though. It's plastic, but it's cool. I just wanted a white background. That was my thing. And I might spray paint this gold to match better with all my other stuff, but I don't know. And it just says January Peace of Mind, and I did that. And I feel like I'm going to do, like, each time I'm going to do the new month, and then, like, a little, like, quote type thing for that month. And this month is Peace of Mind. And then, I don't know where my mom got these from, but there's cute little clear and gold vases. And so yeah, that was my quick little home decor haul, other than things that I don't know where they are. My room is a mess, my life is a mess, everything's a mess, so it could be anywhere. So yeah, thanks for watching this time, guys, and I hope to see you soon.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in as much as like he came from Maytag.